Hola amigos. Today we're going to be going over the words that we're going to use to talk about things that we've already done. We're going to be studying the past tense this week, and these are words that we're going to be using. We also have some words on here that are for asking for and offering help. And again, all useful vocabulary. So take a look at the vocab here at the bottom, and let's look at it. Repeat after me. Anoche. Anteayer, ayer, esta mañana, la semana pasada, todavía no, ya. Okay, asking for and offering help. Ayúdame, por favor. Hacer la maleta. ¿Puedes ayudarme a? ¿Puedo ayudar? ¿Qué quieres que haga? ¿Quieres ayudarme? Te ayudo a.